What's up, guys? This is our second try at this video. We posted one earlier, we edited it and everything, put it on YouTube, and we almost hit publish, and then we took it off. We've had second thoughts and third thoughts and five thoughts. We've been thinking about this over and over, and we want to do it, but we don't. A lot of you guys know we were going to go to South Carolina and do a music video, and then try to head up and go to Sow the Land and Justin Rhodes' place after that, and then there's a Mother Earth News Fair going on the weekend, but Justin Rhodes and Sow the Land are having a meetup on Friday, and it's just one of those things where the music video got canceled, as you guys know, so we're not gonna be able to make it, and that money basically is gone now, so we don't have the money for that trip, and so we started a GoFundMe page, which please don't let that just get you to click off the video right now. We're not asking for free money. We have created bone jewelry that we want to sell, and we have some skulls and stuff we want to sell.
Basically, anyone who donates $5 or more is going to get something in return. We're not just going to take your money.
Yeah, and so we have all that on our GoFundMe, so please don't think we're asking for free money and you're getting nothing out of it. We want to be able to physically give you something for your donation, so we're earning it, I guess, with stuff that we're doing for you guys, and then we get to take you along with the trip and go out there to South Carolina, go to the news fair, and we can show you around that. There's going to be tons of YouTubers and homesteaders, and this is a chance to build our channel. As you guys know, we are slowly climbing up, and this could be something that goes way up, and so I guess let me show you guys everything on my computer real quick. So as you can see, this would be our trip coming from Dallas all the way to Asheville, North Carolina, and it would be basically a 14-hour drive, 930 miles. If you multiply that by 2, you get like 1,860 miles, and in our car we get roughly 18 miles a gallon at an average of like $3 a gallon, which would be about $300 in gas. Here is the Mother Earth stuff that's going on. You can get a weekend wristband for $25, or for a weekend pass for 2 people, I believe is what this one is. It's $45, and so that's what me and Jaylena would get. Instead of paying $50, we'd pay $45, and then the parking pass, they're out right now, but that is normally $12. So that'd be what, 45 and 12 is roughly $60. So that would be, you know, $300 for gas and $60 to get in. And then if we were able to raise a little bit more money, we're going to sleep in our car, but if we can raise a little more money, then we'll do this Airbnb. It's $48 a night. For 2 guests for 3 nights is $183. So these are the necklaces that you can get. They are all made from bone straight from our ranch, and then we put them on necklaces. We handmade these, me and Jaylena put them together, and we sanded the bones down and cut them and clear coated them and everything. They're good to go. These are the different kind of chains and leather that we can make the necklaces out of, so please let us know which ones you prefer, and that way we can send you the ones that you like. And the earrings are the exact same, can come in silver as well, so we could do that also. All these skulls we're going to sell on our Facebook and Instagram. This first Nilgai skull is a complete Nilgai skull, and we're going to sell that for $225, and that includes shipping. We're not 100% how much it's going to cost to ship, but that kind of helps us out with the shipping cost. And then we have another Nilgai skull, and it's not as a good condition, so we're going to sell it for $125. And then we have a deer head and antlers for $125 as well. That one's in really good shape. And then we have what we believe is a javelina skull, and we're going to sell that one for $75. So all of these skulls, the prices, they include shipping. So the skulls, we're going to have them separate on there so we can mark sold if they are sold. And then if you want it, just let us know. And once you make your donation on GoFundMe, then we'll mark it as sold on Facebook and Instagram, but that's a place that we could put the photos and you can go look at them. So now that we showed you all the stuff that you can get, we are going to sell the skulls on our Facebook and Instagram. You can get those on there. If you donate on the GoFundMe, please send us your address and everything. Same thing with Facebook and all that, so we can send you stuff. Jared is going to pitch in some money since he can't go and he's got to stay at home. It's an investment for all of us to go do this trip, and so we're really hoping that you guys see the good in this and that we're not just asking for money. We are just trying to do this trip, trying to make it go through like we had planned at the beginning. It's just, unfortunately, it didn't happen because of the music video falling through. So this is a way for us to earn some money to still go and hopefully build the channel and get this where we need to be. So we truly hope you guys understand, and if you can help, it's something that we would absolutely appreciate and never forget ever. And if you can't, it's not a big deal. Even if you can only afford $1, it goes a long way with us. And so please don't think that we're just trying to suck all the money out of you guys. Hopefully you guys understand why we're using GoFundMe. It's not asking for free money. It's just a platform that you could use to pay the money on instead of some kind of like business site or something. Thank you so much for watching this far in the video. Again, we didn't even want to make this video in the first place. We created one, we deleted it, we were uploading it and deleted it. So please know that this is coming from the best parts of our heart to try to build this channel for you guys, because we absolutely love it. And I'm not really sure what else to say. So if you're willing to donate, we want to be able to give you back something. So please let us know if you donate, and we could ship out the items as soon as possible. And thank you guys so much for your support.